Hello, Namaste, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome to the Queen of Fashion. Friends, today we bring Solitaire diamond stud earrings made of copper and brass with AAA plus AD quality diamond and with a screw on the back. It's available in 3 different variants: silver plated, yellow gold plated and rose gold plated. Then we have Phool and amazing looking flower style bangles. Also we show you beautiful glass choker with earrings. Then we have an unique designed necklace with brass pendants. Also 3-piece combo rings and much more. We hope you like the video. For any queries or communication, you can visit our Facebook page, The Queen of Fashion. The link is also provided in the description. Thank you. See you soon.